Jack Crawford's Eagle Scout project brings an interesting learning experience to El Segundo, especially for people who have admired this one-of-a-kind water tank mural on Grand Avenue.
My dad grew up in El Segundo and my grandparents lived in El Segundo. One day I see a mural on my right and my breath is just taken away by how vibrant and how intricate the mural is. And once my Eagle project started coming up, I realized for my project I wanted to build a viewing station for the mural to recognize the artist and a lot of the cultural significance behind the mural.
Fellow scouts, friends, and family members came to help Jack install a bench and sign across the street from artist John Van Hamersveld's water tank mural.
The hardest part was getting the permits. The people at the library, Miss Todd, Miss McCollum, really helped me walk through my project, especially with the city, and everyone at the city was very supportive, even though the process did take a while. And once we started talking to the DWP, they've been very supportive and have been very helpful and have allowed for me to really get my project done. And I mean, they're out here today helping make last-minute adjustments to the sprinkler system just so that my project runs smoothly, and I just really appreciate all the efforts that everyone has gone through.
This was his idea, and DWP accommodated him. Mr. Andrew Kendall, Mr. Pizza Turco gave him the nod. We'll be assisting him as far as doing some of the landscape, making sure that the bench is secure, and whatever else Mr. Crawford needs.
Marty Adams, who's the CEO of DWP, has been incredibly gracious, great to work with. We spent over a year working with DWP because there were a lot of challenges with it from an irrigation standpoint, easements, etc., to get this project done. I love what I'm seeing. This is the first time I've actually seen it come to life. Jack Crawford, the young man who put this together with his friends, who's an Eagle Scout, has done an incredible job of persevering through this process, learning a little bit about how slow government can be sometimes and persevering nonetheless.
Eagle Scout projects must be completed by the Scout's 18th birthday, and Jack is grateful for his mentors and the community members who have helped him complete his project and reach this honorable rank.
We started way in advance with plenty of time, but just the little delays here and there really cut it close to his 18th birthday. So really we're just, squeaking it in just in time, but I think it's going to be a project that for sure he's going to be proud about.
Every time I drive by, I not only notice the mural now, but now see the project that I completed that really gives back to the community, and so that's important to me. And I think that there's a lot of significance to every single piece of that mural, and so if I can help people to also see that significance, that's what I would like. And so I created a sign, and that will be placed, and it has a QR code that people can scan to a website that me and the library created, giving more information on the project and the artist.
I love that there's a surf theme. Being a surfer myself, representing El Segundo surf team here. John Van Hamersveld went to school at El Segundo High, so it just ties in community in such a big way, and this is just an incredible legacy project that I'm so happy Jack Crawford could make happen, and the team at DWP and the library.
Thanks to the hard work and coordination of everyone involved, this viewing station will be a place for visitors and residents to be introduced to the work of John Van Hamersveld for years to come. For El Segundo Media, I'm Catherine Chen.